Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new here. And yes, guys, my hair is like a gray, blue tint, blonde, white. Yeah, I know. I have a very white blonde going on with my hair, and I use a purple shampoo called Shimmering Lights. And this is, you know, what happens when you leave it on. And yeah, I love this color. You guys know me, you know I want to go to a gray hair color, and I feel like I'm getting somewhere and I'm so happy. But yeah, let's jump right in the video because now I'm getting like too caught up. So let's go. So I already did my eyebrows, so now we will be dipping into the Morphe 35O palette, and it is on sale right now at Ulta for $15. That's where I got it. But we will be dipping into this color. Now this is like a first impressions because I never really got to use it yet. So let's see the tea. Okay, so she's very pigmented, very pretty. Very pretty. Guys, I like didn't even dip in the palette. Wow. So going back in with that same old brush, we will be dipping into this one, the brightest orange in the palette. Are you guys ready for this? I don't know if I'm ready for this. Wow, she's pretty. You guys, I definitely recommend this palette. Like, don't sleep on it. When I got that update on my phone, it was like, what was it? I think I found it on Instagram. Some Ulta posted it or something, and it was like regular 23 on sale for 15. I was like, Mom, what are you doing? Let's go get it. Now we will dip into I want to deepen it. This one. Alright, now that I laid down some concealer and made like a halo effect, I will be dipping into, oh, this is so hard, this one. She's pretty. Let's see. We need a moment of silence because I am blinding y'all with this. Oh my goodness. She's gorgeous. So now we will deepen up the edges around the spotlight with Let's dip into you. I want to keep it very warm tone. Crying right now because she's that pretty. I can't believe how famous she is. Oh my god. Whew. I so recommend this palette, you guys. Okay, she is coming together. She is here to slay, honey. She is not playing, and I don't blame her. So I'm gonna let my eyeliner dry for a couple seconds. So one of my favorite mascaras is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I definitely recommend this too. If you don't have it, go get it. You're like slacking. So I usually just brush off. Don't come at me, guys. This is like kind of old. Is it me or do like all of you guys when I'm putting on mascara you made like the ugliest faces? Like, ooh, she came to slay. She is, oh my god. And now I'm going to apply my Luxe Rebellion lashes, and I have a code, you know, Alyssa in all caps, that's my name, and it'll earn you money off. And yeah, I definitely recommend these lashes. These are in style Juice, and if you want to twin with me, use my code. Alright guys, so the lash glue is still drying, but here is the eye look, and I'm living for it. I forgot something. Hold on. Are you ready for this? Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. I'm so living for this palette. If you guys see me like fixing my eyes at all, it's because of the glue still drying on both eyes. She's a freaking killer. Living. So today I'm going to prime my face with the POREfessional by Benefit. Here's a hack. If you can't get product out, you take eyebrow cutting scissors and you cut it out. Toiletries in there. So I mostly just prime around my nose, my like T-zone and my chin area, because that's where I'm really oily, and my pores. So, oh my god. So I have this marker here. My dog is a puppy. He's 7 months, and he likes to wake me up in the morning by giving me kisses. So this morning he jumped up and he went shit. So now I have like a freaking red battle wound on my cheek, but it's okay, it makes me look tough. So, get like me. So for foundation, we're using the FitMe Matte and Poreless Foundation, shade 120. And this is my favorite foundation. Like, you will never catch me using another foundation. What am I doing? I'm like tripping out. That is way too much product. Oh well. I just literally place it all over. Yes guys, I do my chin. So you know what? We're gonna get messy. My chin. I feel stupid. My neck, not my chin. Bear with me guys. So usually I switch back and forth between a beauty blender and a brush because I can't stick with one. If you guys are wondering why I like look like directly beside you, it's because I have a big mirror, and when I do my makeup I have a mirror right in front of me, but I still look off into my big mirror, and I don't know why. I'm just so used to it. Brush. Look at my big old forehead. She's huge. Oh my god, you guys. And I promise you guys, if this looks dark on camera underneath my eyes, it's actually light. It must be my lighting. I swear you guys, I know how to do makeup. I swear. What's your guys' favorite step of makeup? Do you guys like doing eyebrows? Do you guys like doing eyeshadow? What's your favorite step? Mine? I don't know what my favorite step is. Like, I like doing eyes, but it's not like my favorite thing to do. I think I like doing the face because it's like you turn into a whole different person. I'm dipping into my Tarte blush in Paaarty, and now I don't bake anymore, but I'm going to cut my cheekbones. And what I do is I go from, like, it's hard to say, like my inner ear is direct. So I will be going into, what should I do, a real bright color or a dark color? Let's go bright. Let's do the orange. I don't know if I'm ready for this. I just poked myself in the eye. I promise, guys, I know how to do makeup. Oh! Alright, guys, don't come at me for this because I know it's a crusty, dusty, old highlighter, but it works like heaven. So this is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighting Powder, and it's in Golden Lights, and I had this for like ever and it's still living. Are you ready? Time for lips, and I'm dipping into the Tarte lip paint, and this is is in birthday suit, and yes, I know I'm running out, and yes, it is really little, but I promise you I'm going to get a nice big size one because it's like amazing. It smells like mint, and I love that. Like, because it smells delicious, it's good for your skin, and yes, honey, now I block my eyes. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned some new techniques, and yeah, I hope you guys go get the Morphe 35O palette because you need it. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, do anything. Comment some ideas of what you guys want to see because I will definitely do it. I will definitely try. I might not succeed, but you know, oh well. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. So